Hello YouTubers and welcome again. Today I have a Ford with a 5.4 liter engine. The timing chain has come better on this vehicle. It's throwing a lot of codes for misfiring, camshaft position sensor codes, correlation codes, timing over. When you have all those codes, do not go throwing money on cam sensors or replacing ignition coil packs thinking that because you have misfiring codes you're gonna fix the problem. So don't do that. Just go for the timing chain. That is the problem. Now this happens to be a Lincoln Mark LT 2006, but any Ford F-150, Ford Expedition, Navigator, Aviator, any of these vehicles that have the 5.4 liter engine will be the same procedure. So this one has correlation codes, misfiring codes, camshaft position sensor codes, and all the stuff like that. The engine is shaking, so the engine is out of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can start working on this vehicle, and this is going to be part 1.
Okay, and right now I'm gonna be taking out the fan clutch with this plastic, because this comes out as one piece with a cover and with a fan clutch, because this one is not divided by two, so it's only one. So this is the setup here. This is a 36mm wrench, and it has here for as you can see, for this and I have locked it. My friend is helping me right there. I locked it with the, you put the locks of the fan clutch wrench and the 2 10mm bolt right there. And then it cannot move anymore. So now, as you can see, I'm turning it right there. Very easy. Once you do the setup, I already lose it. Sáquela despacio, mano, eso. Sáquela despacio. Afloje y la saca. Right there. It locked on this one and that one right there. And this is a 36mm fan clutch nut. First, I already removed the 2 10mm bolt right there for the cover right there on both sides, because this is gonna come out as one piece, fan clutch with the plastic cover at the same time. This is 10mm bolt, and then this is 14 here. $10mm bolt, 10mm bolt. Okay, I'm removing this bracket right now. Now this bracket you can always remove it with a power steering pump reservoir on top, but it's a little more complicated because you have to be dealing with more stuff on top, so and you need a space here. That's the ratchet right there, as you can see. That's the ratchet. I follow it, and it has a 10mm bolt right there. Can't even record while I'm doing this, that's why I'm okay. I got to lose it. I'm gonna see if I can get it out either by hand. Very big bolt over here. press this step over here like this to get that out. And right there, I took this off already. Just press the tab. I'm gonna remove one more here on camera. They all have a, you press the tab here. I like to use this plier here because this tab usually gets so hard, so I press them and the tab with these and they come out easily. Also with the injectors, and they come out easily. These are 99 cents too. Press on the tab here like this. And pull it out at the same time. Okay, now I'm gonna paint all the connectors here, and then wherever it goes, just in case. Also, you know, this one goes here. I'll paint it in different color. It might look funny, but that's always I do that here. And then I paint it here, so I know where it goes. Paint it where it goes, the same color and the same color here. Okay, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, before taking the ignition coil packs off, what happens is I don't take the ignition coil packs off like that, because then otherwise the mess will go inside. I'm gonna go with the screwdriver here because it has a lot of mess. I already did that here with this screwdriver. To lose whatever you can. Okay, this is the cylinder head on the passenger side here, right here. I'm gonna be taking this hose off. I already took the clamp off. Anybody knows how to do that. I'm gonna take this off. Also, I'm gonna be taking the connectors off on the PCM. All of them. You just press on this tab, pull it back, push it back. See, right there. And you have a 110mm bolt right there, another 10 and another 10. They're very accessible. And it's nothing better than working with two hands. So a little bit of water went there, as you can see by the ignition coil pack, which is not good. I'm gonna blow it right now. Alright. No water anymore. This is the bracket. Also the bracket, I'm gonna pull it out. This has a 10mm bolt right there, another 10 here, 1, 2, okay, this one here, but this one goes with the, but this one here, but it's missing. Okay, this hose has a tab here. You just do it here and that's it. I'm gonna pull it out from here too because I don't want this side of the intake goes beneath here, as you can see right here, like this, and it comes here, so it goes beneath this one here. When this one comes here, see, like this, so it goes under this one. Right now what I'm gonna do is I gotta discharge the AC system because that has to come out from there. 13mm nuts right there. nut here for this AC pipe. And put it over here on top. Make sure you don't break this. This is a very small hose, but like vacuum hose. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the ignition coil packs, 7mm bolt. Now sometimes this gets stuck, and sometimes they come out easily. Now make sure you have blown all the area with the air compressor, so no garbage goes inside there when you pull them out.